No one tells you this, but the reason people move on from you so easily might be something you're doing right now. And once you see it, you can't unsee it. You think people leave because they don't care, but that's not always true. Sometimes they leave because nothing about you feels irreplaceable. Think about it. You reply fast. You're always available. You adjust. You try to be easy to deal with. And for a while, everything feels fine. Until one day, they start replying less, acting different, and eventually, they're just gone. And you're left thinking, what did I do wrong? But here's where it gets uncomfortable. You didn't lose them suddenly. You slowly made yourself easy to lose. You're always there, always replying, always ready. No space, no pause. And at first, that feels good. But over time, it becomes normal. And what's always available stops feeling valuable. You weren't too nice. You were too predictable. And this is where it gets dangerous. You changed your tone, your opinions, your behavior, just to match them. You became what they liked. But think about it. If you can be anyone, you become no one. And people don't attach to someone who has no fixed identity. You didn't question things, didn't challenge them, didn't express what bothered you. You kept things smooth. But here's the truth most people miss. Connection doesn't grow in comfort. It grows in honesty. And when there's no friction, there's no depth. Let me say something most people won't. Being easy to be with can make you easy to forget. You did extra. You tried harder. You invested more, hoping they'd see your value. But honestly, people don't always value what's given freely, especially if they never had to earn it. You didn't create tension. You didn't create curiosity. You didn't stand your ground. You were good. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Good is replaceable. Unique isn't. And this might hurt. You weren't replaced because someone was better. You were replaced because you became forgettable. This is the part nobody wants to accept. You didn't get treated this way randomly. It happened slowly. Every time you said yes. Every time you ignored something. Every time you overgave. You were teaching them what's okay. And people learned fast. They didn't wake up one day and decide to lose interest. They just followed the pattern you allowed. So no, the answer isn't to become cold. Because being distant isn't power either. The real shift is this. Stop trying to be easy to keep. Start becoming hard to replace. Start with this. Don't reply instantly every time. Let presence have rhythm. Speak what you actually think, even if it creates a little discomfort. Stop over-giving. Let people meet you halfway. And most importantly, have a version of yourself that doesn't change for approval. Because that's what people remember. Because at the end of the day, people don't stay because you were perfect. They stay because they felt something real with you. So maybe you weren't easy to replace. You just made yourself too easy to leave. And deep down, you already felt that. Because the moment you stop trying to be everything for everyone, you finally become someone who can't be replaced. Now think about it. Have you been showing your real self, or just the easiest version of you?